Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know Spotify Wrapped usually gets all the hype in December, but who says you can share it in February? Maybe you have just discovered it, or you want to remind your friend of your amazing music. Today I will show you how to share your Spotify directly on your Messenger. Let's get started. First, open the Spotify app on your phone or laptop and then log in if you haven't already. Don't worry, the wrapped highlights are still there. You will see the Spotify wrapped banner on the home screen. Tap on it and dive in. Now, swipe through your Spotify wrapped slides like your top songs, artists and genres. When you find the slide you want to share, look for the share button. It's usually at bottom on top of the screen. Now, once you tap to share button, a list of apps option will appear like Facebook, Instagram, and so on and so forth. Now here you have to select Messenger. Messenger will open and you will see your friend and group chats. Pick who you want to send it, and maybe a music loving friend or a group chat full of your friend favorite people or whatever. You can even add a quick message like still vibing to my top artists from last year, or whatever the caption you want to add. Check it now, then hit send. Now, and that's it. Whether it's February or December, sharing your Spotify Wrapped is always a fun way to connect with your friends over music. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and thank for watching this tutorial.